Hello, yes. Today for my unit presentation, I will be doing Unit 1, Section 11.5. The question I'm doing is question number 5. Okay, so determine whether the plane passes through each point. Okay, right here you can see the only way to determine whether the plane passes through each point is by plugging into the actual point. -4, which is x, would be right here. Y, which is 1, would be right here. Y, and negative 3, and z would be -1. And I did that up here. The first one I did right here. So you can see I plugged in -4 on x plus 2 times 1 minus 3 times -1 minus 1. And that if it equals 0, it passes through the point. So we start off right here with 2 times 1 would be 2, -4 plus 2 would be -2, of course. And then -3 times -1 would be +3, and then also with the -1. Okay, so right here, 3 minus 1 would be +2, and then -2 plus 2 would equal 0. So yes, the first one, A, does pass through the point. We start off with the second one, B. We plug it in. This would change to +4. This would change to 2, +2. Z would change to +2 as well. So X is +4, Y is +2, and Z is +2. So now we do the math on that. 2 times 2, okay, well, it would be 4 plus 2 times 2 would also be 4. -3 times 2 would be -6. And also -1 equals 0. Okay, so now we do 4 plus 4, it would be 8, minus 6 minus 1, 6, oh, my fault, it would be -6 minus 1, and it would be -7, so it would be -7, and 8 minus 7 would equals 1, which would not equal 0, so of course that one does not pass through the point. Okay, so B is no. Next one. X would be -3. -3. Y would be +1. +1. And Z would be -1. So off the start, 2 times 1 is 2, of course. So it'd be -3. -3 plus +2. And then -3. Oh, I messed up. It should be negative. Sorry. -3 times -3 would be +3, of course. So it'd be +3. And then -1 at the end. And it should equal 0. So -3 plus 2 would be -1. And then +3 would be +2. Oh, +3, my fault. And -1. Okay, next. So -3 plus... Oh, I had that wrong. -3 plus -3. Okay, it would be -1. -1 plus 3 minus 1. And it should equal 0. Okay, so -1 plus 3 would equals 2. Would equals +2, of course. And then -1 would just equal 2 minus 1 would equal 1, so it wouldn't equal 0. So, of course, no. The plane does not pass through that point either. And that's number 5. That's how I explained it. This is my presentation. Thank you. My name is Daniel Fuentes, and thank you.